Hello guys, welcome to yet another session. I hope everyone is doing well and I hope everyone is doing good. So guys, basically what I'm gonna do on this one, before I drop the weekly outlook, what I'm gonna quickly do on this one, it's just for those who get caught up on the lower time frame, because sometimes you get caught up in the lower time frame and then you don't know where the market is going. You see a sell on the daily time frame, where else it's a buy on the monthly time frame. You see a sell on the 4-hour time frame, where else it's a buy on the weekly time frame. You understand? So at the end of the day, you get too zoomed out and then you get into the markets based on the lower time frames. So this one is for you guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Follow us for more content. So basically here I'm gonna start with Usdjpy. Alright, so it's gonna be a quick one. Alright, I hope you guys get something from this content. So when I look at Usdjpy here from the monthly time frame, what I can see is that this market was on a downtrend, and then from here I had the impulse and then the correction. Right, so we had this overall downtrend, we had the impulse, and then we had the correction. After the correction we have the impulse, of which we expect a correction, an impulse, a correction all the way to the top. Right, so that is basically what's happening. So we have already identified that on the monthly time frame. And then again, when you look at this Usdjpy, we have a sort of inverse head and shoulder formation on the bigger time frame that is formed, which we can say that the market is gonna go to the upside. All right, so basically there's nothing different. It's still the same nature of the market: impulse, correction, impulse. Right, so here I'm gonna identify my zones like so. I'm gonna identify my structures. So these are my structures. This was the first impulse, this was the correction. Now I have the impulse. Look at how easy this looks, guys. Look at how easy this looks, right? So like this, you don't get too zoomed out. Don't get too zoomed out into the lower time frames. Okay, don't get too zoomed out into the lower time frame. So we have this. Now let me just remove this, but then I know what that means. But this, we have like a sort of flag or a triangle going up. So we can say we can expect perhaps a bigger correction if possible, going to the upside. And this is on the monthly, guys. This is on the monthly. So now when you go to the weekly, right, this is where we are on the weekly. Right, this is where we are on the weekly. So on the weekly, where we can see still the same impulse, correction, impulse, correction, then we have an impulse. So from this impulse, this is the one that we'll be expecting a correction. Right, we'll be expecting a correction. It just broke the tops. It just broke the tops of the previous correction, 90% rule. So we'll be expecting a bit of a correction. Okay, so we're just expecting a correction to the downside before a continuation. So you already have that on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Oops. Let me make this quick, guys. This one is a quick one. It's a quick one. It's a quick one. It's a quick one. Okay, so this is what we have on the daily: impulse, correction, then impulse. So here on the daily, I could just highlight this low, try to figure out how price is moving right here. Right, so if however I'm gonna get any correction, it's gonna be to this. It's gonna be like this, and then the move will go to the upside. So let me go to the 4-hour. So here I am on the 4-hour. I'm just gonna adjust my structures. All right, nothing much. There we go. So I can just remove this. Then these are my structures. I have that now. So this is what I was thinking about. So here on the 1 hour, I'll wait obviously for the 1 hour retracement, and then maybe we can get this move here before continuation to the upside. Thank you guys. I hope you like the content. Cheers.